Next, question number 30. If tan A equals n by n plus 1, tan B equals 1 by n plus 1, show that A plus B is equal to 45 degree. Solution. A plus B we want. To find out A plus B as 45, we have the formula tan of A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B. We know the values of tan A and tan B, you just substitute so that tan of A plus B is equal to tan A is n divided by n plus 1, tan B is 1 by 2n plus 1 whole divided by 1 minus n divided by n plus 1 into 1 divided by 2n plus 1. So, this is equal to, between these two, n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 as the LCM. n into this, n into 2n plus 1 plus 1 into this, n plus 1 whole divided by, between these two again the LCM is n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 as the LCM. So, 1 here nothing means 1 is there, So, between these two, that is the LCM. This into 1 means n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 minus n into 1 means n. These two gets cancelled. Now, multiply 2n into n, 2n square, n into 1 n plus n plus 1 whole divided by, now multiply n into 2n, 2n square, n into 1 n, 1 into 2n plus 1 means 2n plus 1 minus n, plus n minus n gets cancelled. Now 2n square plus n plus n is 2n plus 1 divided by, even the denominator is also the same. Okay, these two gets cancelled, we are left with 1. So tan A plus B, tan of A plus B is equal to 45 degree. 1 can be written as tan 45 degree. Tan 45 degree is 1, So therefore A plus B is equal to, by eliminating tan on both sides, A plus B is equal to 45 degree. A plus B is equal to 45 degree. If A plus B equals pi by 4, then show that 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B is equal to 2. Hence deduce that tan pi by 8 equals root 2 minus 1. So it's a memory based result. It's a very important problem. Okay, as per MCQs are concerned, you need to remember the solution. Okay, given A plus B is equal to 45 degree, A plus B equals pi by 4. So we want 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B equals 2. Operate tan on both sides. That is, tan of A plus B is equal to tan pi by 4. What is tan pi by 4? 1. So 1 plus tan of A plus B formula, tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B, 1 minus tan A into tan B, cross multiply, that is tan A plus tan B, tan A plus tan B is equal to 1 minus tan A into tan B, 1 minus tan A into tan B. I just shift this to the left hand side. Tan A plus tan B my plus tan A into tan B is equal to 1. Say some equation 1. Now consider the left hand side, which we are supposed to prove. 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B is equal to 2. We need to prove actually. Multiply now. 1 into this 1. 1 into tan B. Tan A into 1 tan A plus tan A into tan B. Tan A into tan B. Observe the last three terms. Tan A plus tan B plus tan A into tan B. This is by using equation 1. Using equation 1, we can write this as 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. Correct? That is the RHS. Hence the result. And hence deduce tan pi by 8 is equal to root 2 minus 1. So we know that 1 plus tan A into tan B, 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B is equal to 2. We have, say some equation 2. Put A is equal to B. A is equal to B. If A is equal to B, then this becomes 1 plus tan A. In place of B, I'll write A. So 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan A means 1 plus tan A the whole square is equal to 2. That is nothing but 1 plus tan A is equal to root 2, That's why tan A equals root 2 minus 1. But A plus B is equal to 45 degree. This becomes, in place of B, A I'll replace. So this is 2A is equal to 45 degree. A is equal to 45 divided by 2. 22.5 degree. That is nothing but A is equal to pi by 8. So therefore tan A, that means tan pi by 8 in place of A, pi by 8 is equal to root 2 minus 1. Hence the result. Okay, you need to remember the value. Tan pi by 8 equals root 2 minus 1. Okay. Next question, an exercise problem. Prove that cos 4x is equal to 1 minus 8 sin square x into cos square x. It's there in the model question paper under 3 mark section. Consider the left hand side, that is cos 4x. See, 4x can be written as 2 into 2x. This is of the form cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta in terms of sine, I'll write 1 minus 2 sine square theta. Cos 2 theta in terms of sine, 1 minus 2 sine square theta. Here theta is 2x, cos 2 theta, which is 1 minus 2 sine square 2x. Theta means 2x, We can write this as 1 minus 2 into sine 2 theta whole square. Sine square theta can be written as sine 2 theta. But we have the formula for sine 2 theta as 2 sine theta into cos theta. 2 sine theta into cos theta. So that this is equal to 1 minus 2 into, I just write this as 2 sin x into cos x the whole square. This is ABC power m. AB power m means a power m into b power m, you know. This is 1 minus 2 into 2 square for sin square cos square. Okay, 4 into 2 is 8. 1 minus 8 sin square x into cos square x. So this is what we need to prove, that is the RHS. Next, question number 33. This is a good problem again, exercise problem. Prove that tan 4x is equal to 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 minus 6 tan square x plus tan power 4, tan x power 4. So let us take the left hand side to prove the RHS. Consider the left hand side, that is tan 4x. See, 4x can be written as 2 into 2x. 2 into 2x. We have the formula for tan 2 theta. Tan 2 theta is equal to tan 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. Tan 2 theta is 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta, whereas sin 2 theta is 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta, and cos 2 theta is 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Now this is of the form tan 2 theta. Theta here is 2x, you know. I just apply the formula. So 2 tan 2x divided by 1 minus tan 2x the whole square. Okay, tan 2 theta it is of the form, that is equal to 2 into tan 2x can be written as 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x, you know. 1 minus tan square x whole divided by 1 minus tan 2x can be written as 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x the whole square. This is equal to 2 into 2, 4 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x whole divided by 1 minus 2 square. A by b whole power m means a power m divided by b power m, that is 2 square for tan x the whole square, that is tan square x divided by 1 minus tan square x the whole square. 1 minus tan square x the whole square. Here nothing means 1 we have. Take the LCM between these two. This is equal to 4 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x as it is whole divided by 1 minus tan square x whole square as the LCM. 1 minus tan square x the whole square. 1 into this 1 minus tan square x the whole square minus 4 tan square x. See here, one of the 1 minus tan square x gets cancelled. One more 1 minus tan square x we have. Let me simplify here. So this is equal to 4 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x whole square. You just expand that. 1 square plus tan square whole square. Tan square whole square. A minus b whole square, you know. So minus 2ab minus 4 tan square x. 4 tan square x. One more 1 minus tan square x is, so that goes to numerator, which is 1 minus tan square x. So therefore, this is equal to 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square whole square means tan power 4 minus 2 tan square x minus 4 tan square x means minus 6 tan square x. That is what the RHS we want. Hence the result. Okay, it's a good question. Prove that cos 6x is equal to 32 cos power 6x minus 48 cos power 4x cos power 4x 18 cos x the whole square minus 1. So this is in the year 2013 Bangalore North Zone, appeared in 5 mark section. In fact, a very good question. So let us take the left hand side to prove the RHS. Consider the left hand side, cos 6x. See, 6x can be written as 3 into 2x, cos 3 theta formula. What is cos 3 theta formula? Cos 3 theta is equal to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. This is the formula. Okay. So we can write this as 4 cos cube. Theta here is 2x, 4 cos 2x the whole cube. Cos 2x the whole cube. Okay. Cos cube 2x is nothing but cos 2x the whole cube minus 3 into cos 2x. Again we have the formula. Look at the answer. RHS is only in terms of cos. So that cos 2x, cos 2 theta in terms of cos. You need to write cos 2 theta in terms of cos. Suppose if you want the answer in terms of sine, you could have write this as 1 minus 2 sine square x. Okay. So here 2 cos square x minus 1 cos 2x is equal to. I just write this as 4 into 2 cos square x minus 1 the whole cube minus 3 into 2 cos square x minus 1. This is of the form a minus b whole cube. We have the formula a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b, So this is the formula. So I just expand this 4 into a is what? 2 cos square x. A cube means cube this minus 1 cube b is 3. A is 2 cos square x into 1 into a minus b means 2 cos square x minus 1 minus 3 multiply with 3. Let me multiply in the next step. You just rewrite that 3 times 2 cos square x minus 1. Now this is equal to 4 into 2 cube, that is 8, 2 into 2 into 2. Cos square whole cube means 2 into 3, 6. That is cos power 6 minus 1. 3 into 2, 6. 6 into 2, 12. Cos square into cos square means cos power 4 minus of minus plus. So 3 into 2, 6 cos square x. 6 cos square x minus 3 into 2, 6 cos square x minus of minus plus 3. Now I just multiply this with 4, we are supposed to multiply this expression by 4. 8 into 4, 32 cos power 6 minus 4. 12 into 4, 48 cos power 4. 6 into 4, 24 cos square x minus 6 cos square x plus 3. Now 32 cos power 6 now minus 48 cos power 4. We have cos square twice, one more. 24 minus 6 means 18, you know, that is 18 cos square x, then minus 4 plus 3 means minus 1. Minus 4 plus 3 means minus 1. That is the RHS. Okay, this is what we want. So it is appeared in North Zone 2013 under 5 mark section. Okay. Transformation formulae. Of course, I have derived the transformation formulae. I just recollect before going to discuss the problems. These formulas are very, very important. Under 5 mark section, one 5 mark question will be appeared from the transformation formulae only. Okay, so it's a very important one. I just recollect the formulae. Please look at this. Sin A cos B. Sin A cos B is equal to half into sine of the sum of the angles. Sine of the sum plus sine of the difference. Sine of A minus B. Sin A cos B equals half into sine of the sum plus sine of the difference. If a sine comes first means, suppose if it is cos A sin B, cos A first bantu andmele minus baratte, same expression, negative sign here. So half into sine of the sum minus sine of the difference. Sine of the difference of the angle. Cos A sin B means cos A first bantu andre cos badmele iralla ಖರ್ಚಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ minus. Just to remember, half into sine of A plus B minus sine of A minus B. Then both are cos. Cos A cos B is equal to half into cos of the sum of the angles plus cos of difference of the angles. Cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. Okay, if both are sine, sin A sin B is equal to minus half into cos of the sum, that is cos of A plus B minus cos of A minus B. Cos of A minus B. We can write this as by multiplying with minus sign, half into cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. Since the order is the same, sum of the angles, difference of the angles. Please remember. See, product of two trigonometric function into sum or difference. So transformation of product into sum or difference. Then the fifth one, A plus B is equal to C, A minus B is equal to C. Okay, so A plus B na C anta denote ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ, A minus B na D anta denote ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ. Sin C plus sin D is equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. That is sin C plus sin D. Sin C plus sin D is equal to 2 sin sum C plus D divided by 2 into cos C minus D divided by 2 into cos C minus D divided by 2. From this one only, sin C plus sin D equals, cross multiply 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Then the sixth one, sin C minus sin D, sin C minus sin D, sin C minus sin D is equal to, cross multiply 2 cos, first you know, cos of the sum C plus D divided by 2, cos of C plus D by 2 into sin of C minus D by 2, sin of C minus D by 2. Then cos C plus cos D, seventh one, cos C plus cos D is equal to 2 times, cross multiply 2 times, both are cos, you know, cos of C plus D by 2, cos of C plus D by 2 into cos of C minus D by 2, cos of C minus D by 2. Then cos C minus cos D, eighth one, cos C minus cos D is equal to, cross multiply, that is minus 2, both are side, minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. See, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sum athwa difference, sum or difference of two trigonometry function into product of trigonometry function. Whereas the first four product into sum or difference, here sum or difference into product. If you could remember this, you can write it by writing this, by taking A plus B as C and A minus B as D. I have proved this one earlier, of course. Okay, so both are sin C plus sin D, ಎರಡೂ sin ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಥವಾ ಎರಡೂ cos ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಒಂದು ಸೈನು ಒಂದು ಕಾಸು, ನೋ ಸಚ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್. cos C, sin C plus sin D is, just to remember, 2SC. S stands for sin, C stands for cos. 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. If it is sin C minus sin D, minus ಬಂತು ಅಂದರೆ cos first ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 2CS, cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. Both are cos C plus cos D ಅಂದರೆ 2cc, 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Both are cos with minus ಅಂದರೆ minus 2ss, minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. This is how you can remember. Understood? Okay, so please write these formulae, practice it properly. So throughout your PU you require this formula. Okay, please learn this. So, and of course from transformation formulae will have one 5-mark question. Okay.